Hello everyone, I am Raji Medrano, and today in this video we're going to learn about operation of integers. Of course, here's the learning objectives. At the end of the lessons, the student are expected to explain what integers are, perform the four basic operation of integers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and last, solve practice problems involving operations on integers correctly. So, what is an integers? Integers are whole numbers from 0 to positive or negative infinite. This means integers can be positive, negative, or 0. Example of integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, and so on. That is integers. So, ito yung integers ng number line kung saan, as you can see, the number in the middle side, it is a 0. Pwede itong maging positive or negative. And the numbers on the left side, ito naman yung mga negative integers. And from the right side, ito naman yung mga positive integers. So now, we know what is integers. So let's proceed in operation of integers. Start with addition. So, kapag same sign sila, you just add the numbers and copy the sign. For example, +3 plus +5 equal +8. Another example, -3 plus -7 equal -10. How about different sign naman? So, kapag different sign, you just subtract the numbers and copy the sign of the large number. For example, -6 plus +5 equal -1. Why the sign is negative? Kasi 6 is larger than 5. So, negative yung nakalagay dyan. Another example, -4 plus +8 equal +4. Since 8 is larger than 4, so 8 is a positive, so positive yung sagot. So, that's it. Ganun lang kasimple yung addition. Paano naman kapag subtraction? Una, copy the first number, change subtraction to addition, and change the sign of second number, and pangapat, follow the rules in adding integers. For example, -8 minus -5. So, copy the first number, which is the -8, then change the operation by addition, then change the second number, which is -5, then gawin mong +5. So, solve the problem, and makukuha mo is -3. Another example, +15 minus +22. So, copy the first number, which is the 15, and change the operation in addition, and change also the second number, yung sign, which is positive yung 22, gawin mo siyang -22. So, 15 plus -22, ang sagot, -7. Multiplication naman, tatandaan nyo lang, kapag same sign siya, the product is positive. For example, +12 times +4 equal 48. Another example, -5 times -3 equal +15. Kahit negative pa yan, kung same size sila, always the product is positive. Kapag different sign naman, the product is negative. For example, -3 times +6 is equal -18. Another example, +8 times negative 5 equal negative 40. So, that's the multiplication of integers. And last, division of integers. Halos parehas lang naman sila sa multiplication kapag gumagamit ng sign. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila yung operation. So, same sign, ulit, kapag ang quotient niyan is always positive. For example, positive 10 divide positive 5 equal positive 2. Another example, negative 36 divide negative 6 equal positive 6. Kapag different sign naman, ang quotient niyan is negative. For example, negative 100 divide positive 5 equal negative 20. Another example, positive 18 divide negative 9 equal negative 2. So, that's the division of integers. So, that's all guys. I hope may natutunan kayo from my video. Have a great day and goodbye.